I'm going to show you how to start animating something in Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is use your Photoshop skills you've developed throughout the semester to create a scene for your animation to happen in. And it's really important to keep things as separate layers. But as you can see over here in my layers palette, I have my background and I've grouped it all into a folder. Now the first thing I'm going to animate is a sun, which I've hidden behind the mountains right now. So you'll see it as the animation moves. But I've also put that in the middle of the background. So what I'm going to do first is basically take a picture of everything that I have developed so far, and this is going to become the first frame of my animation. So go to the top layer up here, and you're going to want to hold Command Option Shift E as in everything. It's going to make that composite picture of everything. So even if I take this off, you'll see now I have a picture that's everything as it's showing. I'm going to double click in that and name that frame 1. Then I can take the visibility off. I can turn the background back on, make my sun active, and I'm going to use my move tool and start moving it so it starts to become visible just a little bit. And now I'm going to go back to my background. It has to be the top layer that's actually visible. And again, Command Option Shift E as in everything. Double click this, name it frame 2. And I'll move that above frame 1. Going to go ahead and start moving the sun more. So here we go. And again, top visible layer, Command Option Shift E as in everything. I'm probably going to have the sun start doing things as it moves across the sky as well. This is frame 3. Make that invisible, and I'll show you how this is developing so far. So I'm going to turn the visibility of the background off. Frame 1 on, so that's frame 1. Then I go frame 2. Frame 3, so you can see how this animation is starting to come together. I'll do one more where I start to animate the sun a little more. So I've turned all my frames off in visibility, and inside the sun that I've made active, I have a few different areas. I have some rays, so maybe I will select all my rays here. And maybe I'll just rotate them a little bit. So I've made them all active, and I can say Command T or Free Transform, and I'll just rotate them a little bit. And perhaps in the sun face, I'll make this eyebrow move just a little. So again, Command T. Maybe I'll rotate it a little bit, and then I will move it like he's peeking out at us. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and make a new frame. Oh, I guess I better move the sun a little more too. Here we go. We're going to move him. Okay. Highest visible layer, Command Option Shift E is in everything, and we will make this frame 4. It's really important that you keep moving these into the right order, so frame 1 will be on the bottom, frame 4 on the top. This is for later. So here's how it's developing so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it for this first part.